Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Impact Marketing Summit. I brought together some of the world's top marketing experts to share with you their new age marketing strategies and techniques that would literally change the way you perceive and implement marketing in your day to day business. My name is Vamsi Pannala, and right now I'm delighted to be speaking with Prakash Prajapati. Prakash is an affiliate marketer based in Adelaide, Australia. He has been doing affiliate marketing since last 1 year alongside his full time 9 to 5 job. In the last 1 year, he made close to $50,000 just from affiliate marketing. Today, Prakash is going to take us through his affiliate marketing journey and going to share his blueprint on how to become a successful affiliate marketer. Prakash, welcome to the summit.
Thanks a lot, buddy. Thanks a lot for having me here. And it's really nice to talk with you. And it's my pleasure that I can, help more people to guide through the affiliate marketing. So it's my pleasure to be here. Once again, thanks a lot.
Absolutely. So, we are really ready to dive into your topic today, which is how to make money online in 2020. So, please take us.
Yep. Yeah, sure. Just a second. Let me share my screen with you. And I have created some of the PowerPoint. So it will be easy for our audience to have a look. So they can see. Just a second. Let me just go through the my screen and let me share my screen with you so you guys can see what I need to talk about.
Sure.
Hold on. Let me find out where to share the screen from. Share the screen. Yeah. You guys can see my screen now?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, so once again, thanks a lot, Vamsi, and let's get started with the options to make money online in 2020. So right now, all over the world that COVID-19 pandemic going on, and there are so many people got, like frustrated because they might have lose their job, they might, getting cut on their job time. Then might be there are so many physical business also they got affected by this COVID-19. So if you are watching this one right now from the Vamsi, my friend, then Vamsi is delivering great value because you will able to understand how you can make money online from comfort of your own home just by having your own laptop and internet connection, right? Because
Yeah.
I have seen so many people asking into so many like Facebook groups, make money online group, work from home group, and people just want to know the options to make money online because the world is going crazy right now. So people want to make 500 or $1,000, $2,000 extra a month. So people can at least, like survive and people can feed their family, pay their bills and all that stuff. So before I get started into this topic, let me give you a little bit intro about myself. I'm sure that
Absolutely.
Vam already explained about myself, but once again, a little bit quick intro. So like my name is Prakash and I'm based in Australia. Okay, basically I'm from India, but it's been a 6 to 7 years that I moved to Australia with my beautiful wife and I'm living here. So like this all journey, like affiliate marketing and make money online journey started like year before from now. Okay, and I was always looking for an option, additional income, so I can work, like 2, 3, 4 hours extra along with my 9 to 5 job, and then after I can start to make some extra money to live my life on my terms, spend a little bit extra on myself, myself, invest into mentor and all that stuff. So this everything started from 1 year before, I think. So so first thing that there are many options to make money online. Okay, you can see on my screen right now. So affiliate marketing, okay, e-commerce and drop shipping, Bitcoin, forex and binary trading, and any other opportunities that can help you to make some extra money from comfort of your own home. Okay, but I'm specialized. I'm not saying expert. Okay, but I'm specialized in affiliate marketing because I know I've been doing affiliate marketing since over a year now, and I have done a very well like journey with the affiliate marketing. So we're mostly going to cover about affiliate marketing, and I will tell you why we choosing affiliate marketing compared to all other options there.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Any question, just stop me there, and you can ask any questions that you want to ask to deep dive into. Okay, otherwise I'll just go through my presentation. But if you have any question, just let me know.
Sure, Prakash. Yeah.
Okay. So affiliate marketing, okay, we're going to focus on affiliate marketing to make money online in 2020, 2021, 2022. Because once you get started with the affiliate marketing business, you will understand the whole concept of this business model. And trust me, once you figure it out, affiliate marketing is way more better than all other options to make money online. You will never look for another option, because affiliate marketing is for each and everyone, for anyone, even they have never done like anything online. If they're just getting started into the online stuff and they just want to make money online, then affiliate marketing is the best one. Why? That I'm going to tell you here. Because you can see affiliate marketing in 2020 and why. Okay, so the
Yeah.
first thing, because I'm getting so many people asking me what are the best options to make money online, why you choose affiliate marketing, why we shouldn't do like Bitcoin or binary trading and all that stuff, or e-commerce or drop shipping or Amazon or something. So there are these two and sub factors that affiliate marketing is one of the best options to get started to make money online in 2020 and for the next 5, 10, 15 or 20 years. Okay.
Sure.
So
Sure.
first, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a referral program where you refer someone else product or service to someone and you get paid a commission to promote that product or service. So that's pretty simple. Like each and every business, doesn't matter online, offline, even they selling physical product or digital product. Like if I own a one product and I know 500 people only, then I will be only able to sell my product to those 500 people. Okay, but if I get another 20 people and they also know another 500 each, okay, so that's more than 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 people there. So I'll say to like Suresh or Vamsi or Patrick or Peter, hey guys, I got this product, okay, and my product price is $97. If you sell my product to your audience, to your friends, to your family, then I will give you a 30%, 40%, 50% commission.
Yeah.
So that's pretty simple. So it's a referral program. So
Right.
in this case, whenever business and any of the product, service, or owner have a limited reach, they open a affiliate marketing program where they invite more people to join their product and service, and then they can start to promote their product. And every time when someone will bring any of the affiliate will bring a sell, they'll get commission. So that's pretty simple. That's affiliate marketing body. Vamsi, by the time if you have any question about it, you can ask me.
Absolutely. Please go ahead.
Okay, so why affiliate marketing? Okay, now you got what is affiliate marketing and how affiliate marketing works. But why affiliate marketing compared to all other options that I have said? Binary or Bitcoin or trading or X, Y, and Z, e-commerce, drop shipping, eBay or Shopify or whatever. Because for affiliate marketing, you do not need to have any of your own product. Okay, because I'm an affiliate, I've been doing affiliate marketing since last 1 year, but I don't own any actual product. But still, I have made over $50,000 by working part time from my comfort of my own home, just from my laptop. Okay, I have a 9 to 5 career. I don't own any product. I'm working few hours a day, but still I have able to make $50,000, which is almost a full time income, yearly income from my full time job. Okay, so
Absolutely.
same amount of money I have made through the affiliate marketing just for a couple of hours each and every day. So because affiliate marketing business, you do not need to have your own product. Okay, so you do not need to create one. Affiliate marketing for each and every individual who wants to make money. Second, because you don't own any product, you do not need to handle an inventory. Okay, how much sell, how much profit, how much loss, nothing there. And because you don't own the product, you don't actually sell the product, or whatever the product or service you selling, that's not owned by you. So you do not need to handle a customer service, return, refund, and all that stuff. So that's why affiliate marketing is the best stuff, because there is no have to have your own product. You do not need to do shipping and handling and all that stuff, inventory, and then after a refund and customer support and all that stuff. So that's why affiliate marketing is the best way to get started to make money online from your comfort of your own home.
Sure.
I hope it's pretty clear by the now. Okay, and we go deep dive into the affiliate marketing. So now, like I'm getting so many. This is all basic and generic question. Whenever people get into the new stuff, they before they get into, they always have to figure it out what they need. Okay, how this affiliate marketing work, what is affiliate marketing, and by affiliate marketing they figure it out. But now, because if we getting started online, we definitely need some tools. Okay, it's not 100% like recommended or primary, or but it's an option, but it's good to have that. Okay, so first thing, we need a website or funnel builder tool, because as an example, if we are an affiliate and if we start to promote 5 or 10 different products, I will tell you where to find the affiliate product. But if we start to promote 5 to 10 products, then how you gonna promote that? Because you need to put enough introduction or enough information, enough detail about the product that you're going to promote. So you have to have any form of web page, right? So you can put everything about your product on that web page, and you can put that website or that web page in front of the people, so they can understand what your product is all about. And if it's helpful to them, then they can buy and you'll get commission.
Yeah.
So like, we are not a like programmer or coder, not a tech stuffy guy, you know. So we don't know how to code HTML and CSS and all that stuff. So we won't be able to create each and every website for each and every different product. So let's say you promoting 10 products and you go outside and hire a developer or designer to create a website, it's going to cost a lot of money. So
Yeah.
what generally other marketers do, there are so many tools available in the internet, okay, so which are help you to create a drag and drop website, funnels, web pages, blog. Okay, so you can design one page website, one page landing page to give enough info about your product. Okay, and same time you can capture other people's email address. So whenever people want to see a little bit more about your product or service that you want to promote, they put their name and email address, and then after they go to the next page where they will actually land onto your affiliate product. And if they buy product, if they like it, they buy the product, you will get commission. Okay,
Yeah.
so first funnel builder tool recommended, which is ClickFunnels. It's a drag and drop funnel builder tool. It's a $97 per month. Okay, there are so many other tools cheaper than that options available, but it's the recommended, and mostly 90-95% marketer use this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the first tool we need. Then after we need email autoresponder. What is email autoresponder? Because as I said, you know, as a marketer, we need to collect the lead. Okay, it's our asset, because once you start to drive a traffic to your web page or funnels or landing page, people will put their name and email address. Let's say like you send 100 people to your website or web page, and out of those 100 people, like 30-35 people shown their interest to know more about your product. So the 30 or 35 people put their email address into, and they will go to the next page. If they buy, good. If not, then still you got those 35 people on your email list, which will be your asset for lifetime. So you can promote all other affiliate products related to their needs within a, like, you know, like every day email, 2 days email, 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, but that will be your asset for whole life.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to collect the email if we're doing affiliate marketing or any other business, because leads are a real assets of our business. So get response is the recommended one, because there are so many email marketing software out there, but it's all not like affiliate marketing. Some of them are very strict with the affiliate marketing, so it's better to, you know, do your own research and find a good one that does a good job. Okay, so that's the get response recommended, $15. They have a different plan, but $15 a month. It's a basic plan. Then after we need a tracking tool. It's not recommended for the beginner stuff if you are very limited with your budget and all that stuff. But tracking tool is necessary tool. I mean, you know, let's say you driving traffic from the 5 or 10 different place. You're doing a Facebook advertisement, Facebook organic traffic. You got your YouTube channel, blog post, and Instagram or LinkedIn or many other stuff. Now you promoting same product to 5 or 10 different marketplaces, different network, different traffic source. Then you need to figure it out which one is giving you best result. So let's say I have started to promote a X product on a 5 my social media, and if I'm getting a sales from the YouTube and I'm not getting sales from any other stuff, then I need to know that YouTube is doing a better job for me. So rather than focusing on 5 different traffic source, I can focus on a YouTube because it's the one traffic source that's giving me better result.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that's the tracking tool. Click Magic, it's the recommended one. They have a $12, $17 monthly plan, but better to check what suits you. It's have a different plan based on your needs. But these 3 tools are necessary.
Yeah.
Okay, I can tell you this has to be a must if you want to really, fast scale your business. Because if you don't use any tool and you want to do it everything by yourself, you don't want to leverage the stuff that we already have, then might be if you are not a developer or programmer, then to build a one website it will take a few days or few weeks for you. So I'm not recommending that part to you. So it's up to you.
Yeah.
Any questions so far from this this presentation?
It's very clear, Prakash. Please continue.
Yeah, all good. So now when we come to the affiliate marketing, because mostly the beginner make a mistake with the affiliate marketing. They go out and they want to promote everything. Okay, they want to promote everything. That's the number one reason that mostly affiliate marketer fail. Okay, because many people talking about what to do, not many people talk about what to not do. Okay, so we're going to talk about that part as well, what to not do, because we don't want you to fail, we want you to be successful. So we need to figure it out which stuff we shouldn't do. So when you go into the affiliate marketing stuff, just focus on a few stuff, few products, few needs. So there are 3 major category where we can make a huge amount of money if we know how to do this stuff properly. There are 3 category, we call it niche. Okay,
Yeah.
I forget to put that one in my PPT, but I'll just say here, if you're watching, get a pen and paper and write it down. There are 3 major category, there are 3 major niche that people will make a lot of money. So first one, it's a health. Okay, so if you are into the health niche where you can promote a product based on a health and fitness diet, how to lose weight, how to gain a weight, how to lose the belly, and how to be healthy, and how to do X and how to do Y, all that stuff. If you are into the health stuff, then just focus on a health related product. Find the audience they are based on their health, and just promote a health related product to them, because this everything gets started with the first day. When you put your first step into the affiliate marketing, you need to figure it out where you want to go.
Sure.
Okay, because once you choose the health niche, your all the funnels, all the products, all the programs, it's going to be based on a health related niche. Okay, health related product. Then you need to only find out the the people who are into the health category. They are more conscious about losing their weight. They are more conscious about their six pack. They are more conscious about diet. They are more conscious about keto. So there are enough, more than enough people out there into the health space that they are willing to pay the money to you if you have a solution to their pain. Okay, we'll talk about that part later, how to find out what's their pain point and what's their problem and all. But the health category, number one. Second one is the wealth. Okay, wealth comes as a financial stuff, make money online, because wealth is one of the most important, like, things that people need. Okay, there are not many people like health conscious, like mostly people like from the western countries and all other countries, they are more focused in their health. But not many people in like western, sorry, the Asian countries and all that stuff. But wealth, financial situation, everyone wants to make money. So you focus on those needs, make money online, or wealth needs where you can promote a like a course or software or tools or a program or any other mastermind that help people to make more money online. Like I'm into the wealth space, I focus into the make money online need. So what I promote courses, software, tools, okay, masterminds, anything that help people to make more money, scale their business. So it's a wealth. The third one is the relationship. Okay, relationship, I won't be able to talk a lot about it. I never look at, okay, but if you are something that you really passionate about, relationship, might be you have a product, or you can find a product that can help other people to save their relationship or improve a relationship, and all that stuff, family stuff and all. I don't have enough data on it, but it's a great niche to if you are passionate about. So health, wealth, and niche. Okay, write it down and do your own research. Which one is the best suits for you, and then after you can dig in deep.
Sure.
Now, any questions from that?
No, it's clear, Prakash.
Okay, so we'll go a little bit faster on it because mostly I want to cover what is affiliate marketing and why you should choose affiliate marketing and recommended tools. But main thing is come to traffic. Okay, traffic is a blood for each and every business because doesn't matter how good is your product, doesn't matter what you're selling, but if you don't put that product in front of right people, right audience, then your product is not going to sell. Okay, so that's the main part. So we'll talk a lot more about the traffic. Okay, and in this section, if you have any question, you can ask me because I haven't put a lot of stuff in a PPT because I just want to go through, make sure that you ask the right question, and I ask, I reply to those questions straight away from my experience. So I have covered some basic stuff. If somebody is just completely new and have no idea, so the type of traffic. Okay, two types of traffic there: organic traffic and paid traffic. Organic traffic, it's a free traffic where you do not need to spend the money to bring people to your offer. Okay, I mean your offer, that means your landing page, your squeeze page, your website or your blog, your YouTube channel, or anything where you promoting your affiliate product. Okay, so organic traffic, it's a free traffic, you do not need to spend the money there. But paid traffic, it's a paid advertising where you need to spend enough money to get right people on your offer. So there are two type of traffic: paid traffic, organic traffic. There is a like huge difference between it. So if you have a more money than your time, then go with the paid traffic. Okay, because let's say you have a 9 to 5 job, you have family, wife and kids and all that stuff, and you don't have a like 4 or 5 hours each and every day to focus on your business, then I'll recommend you to go with the paid traffic. Okay, because you put money, you give money to someone, you use any of the paid advertising platform, put your offer there, and that's it. Just wait for result to show up. It's very quick. As long as you got enough money to put into and don't have enough time, then go with the paid traffic. Organic traffic, if you have a limited money, okay, you don't have enough source for traffic, you don't have enough money to put into the traffic, go with the organic traffic because organic traffic is not going to cost you anything. Okay, we don't need any money there. Only and only you need a time. You need to have a better time, 3 to 4 to 5 hours each and every day to work on organic traffic. Okay, and I will tell you what kind of organic traffic options there and what kind of paid traffic options there. But put one thing in a clear in your mind, that if you have a more money than time, then go with the paid traffic. If you have a more time than money, then go with the organic traffic. That's pretty simple.
Absolutely.
Okay, so organic traffic. Okay, so organic traffic, free traffic, we all are free to use social media. It's completely free. You can create a free Facebook account, free YouTube channel, free blog post, free Facebook group, free Instagram profile, everything, right? So Facebook profile you can use as your sales machine. Your own Facebook group you can use as a sales machine. Your Facebook page you can use as a sales machine. Instagram profile, YouTube channel, blogs. Blogs, it's little bit that not many people are willing to do because you need to put lot of content there, right? So you need to create a review. Like let's say you promoting ClickFunnels or any other product, and you can create a review that okay, ClickFunnels review, where you can type 500 or 1,000 words review there and put your affiliate link. So whenever people wants to look on a Google that okay, ClickFunnels review, ClickFunnels is legit or scam, or how to make money with the ClickFunnels, whatever. So people go to your blog post, they see your content, and you can put your affiliate link there. So people like it, they will buy from it, and you will get paid. Okay, comparison, you can find your product and find other competitor, okay, and put the review in a comparison. Okay, product A, product B, product A that you promoting. So put maximum what is product A about, why it's better than B, why it's cheaper than B, why we should use a product A, not product B, comparison. That's what the people do on a blog post.
Yeah.
Result after and before, if you have used a product A, okay, and you can share your result that, before using this product A, I was doing this stuff, but after starting using product A, okay, I'm getting this result. So that's the result. That's another option. Pricing, you can do the review on pricing. Pros and cons, this is also another additional option. So these are all organic traffic source that you can use if you don't have enough money. Start to work on your social media profiles, Facebook profile, Facebook group. Instagram is a must, because YouTube, I'm not sure everyone can do the YouTube. You have to be comfortable with the camera. You have to be enough content to record a 5, 7 minute or 10-minute video. But the same stuff that goes with the blog, you can convert into the video and you can put it on a YouTube channel.
Very
okay, but these things: Facebook profile, Facebook page, and Facebook group, Instagram, these are the main components to drive enough traffic on your affiliate product without spending any money. Any questions from it? How to
excellent so
monetize
far,
and do
Prakash.
that stuff? Yeah, how to monetize and how to work and how to make it better, we'll cover on a question, Q&A section. When you have a question, you can ask, but first I will give you the blueprint, and then after I will definitely share what worked for me, how I went to the $50,000 and what really works for me. Okay, so we'll definitely talk more about that part. Okay, now it's come to the paid traffic. We have seen the organic traffic. When it's a paid traffic, Facebook ads, paid advertising platform. You spend money on a Facebook and tell Facebook where you want to show up your advertisement, which audience you want to target, and Facebook will show up your advertisement on the right people. So that's the Facebook paid advertisement. Same works with the Instagram. You need to spend the money. You need to pay money to the Instagram, which also belongs to Facebook, and Facebook and Instagram will do the rest of work for you. YouTube, same, belongs to Google. You need to put a video, and then after you need to do a paid advertisement where you're going to pay money to the Google, and YouTube will find the audience for you, and you will pay money to YouTube, and that's it. PPC ads, Google and Bing search ads and display ads. This is also one of the major factor if you're doing a paid advertisement. So these are the options with the paid advertisement. And I'll give you one little hint. If you want to go with the paid advertisement, then don't try to master everything. Okay, otherwise this life will be never enough. Okay, I can say honestly. So try to master one stuff. Okay, generally, like people said, it takes 7 years to master something. Okay, I'm not talking about 7 years here, but would spend a good amount of time, maybe 7 months or a 1 year to master something. Okay, and try to implement, and if it's giving you better results, then try to just be better and better. Don't try to go each and every step here. Okay, because if you're going to master Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everything at the same time, then might be you end up being nowhere. Okay, so we don't want you to be happen that way. So just go with the one skill here and then master. And once you get enough time, because you're getting enough results from one marketplace, then invest yourself, invest into mentor or right course to learn YouTube or Instagram or Facebook. Learn it better way, and then after start to master another traffic source. Okay, so now I hope everything is clear here.
Yeah. So, Prakash, I have a question here.
Yeah.
So, when someone is running paid traffic to your offer, so what is
Yeah.
the goal that someone wants to accomplish as an affiliate marketer? Either is it to capture the email IDs of the interested group, or is it running a sales kind of campaign or a conversion campaign to your ad using a bridge page? What would be the
Okay. Yeah, that's a great question. So, I got this question asked us so many times, and I have done these mistakes in the past. So, first thing, let's say start with the Facebook and Instagram ads.
Mhm.
Okay, Facebook and Instagram ads are very strict with the affiliate marketing. So, first thing, you cannot use your affiliate link. I'm not sure whoever watching this one have ever seen the affiliate links or not, but that affiliate links looks very ugly. Okay, xyz domain name.com, and then after a question mark, and then id, then few letters, few characters, and all that stuff. So Facebook and Instagram is very strict with the affiliate marketing stuff. You cannot send a people straight to the your affiliate link.
Yeah.
With the Facebook and Instagram, you have to have your own landing page, your own website, your own capture page, or squeeze page, or breeze page, whatever. But mostly I'll say better to send people on a capture page where you can collect their name and email address. Okay, because email address building a list, it's the number one asset of this business. Okay, because if you use, let's say you're not collecting name and email address anywhere, and you're doing this four kind of advertisement. You spend $100 on a Facebook, $100 on Instagram, $100 on a YouTube, and $100 on a Google and Bing. So it's a $400. Okay, it's a $400 you spend on a traffic, right? So let's say out of these $400 total, like whatever was the traffic, but let's say 1,000 people have visited your web page. You spend $400, 100 each. Okay, and total, this just an example, it's just a number, but 100 people have visited your web page or your offer or whatever the link that you gave it to particular advertising platform. So let's say out of these 1,000 people, 3 people buy your stuff. Okay, out of those 1,000 people, 3 people have bought your stuff, and you haven't captured anyone's email address. You straight send them to the sales page where 3 people pull out their credit card, they put their credit card detail, and you got maybe $50 was each sale. So let's say you got $150 commission, right? So now you spend $400. Okay, 100 people, and you have no idea who were those people who have visited your page. You will never find them until and unless you know how to do the Facebook advertisement properly. It's called retargeting ads. Okay, so only 3 people buy your stuff, so you make 150. So still you are into minus of $250. Okay, which is
Right.
loss. But this is the wrong way to do the affiliate marketing. But rather than just putting money on a traffic source, let's say now we change the scenario here, and visited 1,000 people, and now those 1,000 people going to your landing page where you asking people to give their name and email address, and once they give their name and email address, they will go to the sales page. If they buy it, not buy it, that's the second story. But out of those 1,000 people, now let's say, because opt-in rate is generally 25 to 30% general. Okay, depend on your page, depend on your website, but general is 30, 35, 25. For this example, let's say 25% in this case. So 250 people have put their name and email address. Okay, and then after they gone into the actual sales page. And again, after these 250 people, let's say this time you got 2 sales and $50 was each, so still you make $100. Still you got $100. So right now you are still minus with $300, but now you got these 250 people's emails in your backend, which will be your asset for lifetime.
Yeah.
Okay, which will be your asset for lifetime. So now you promote a product A here, you spend $400, you got 250 people shown their interest into the product. Okay, 2 people already buy your product, you make $100. So with the $300, you have got 250 emails. So which emails you can be used to promote another 5, 10, 15, 20 products through the email marketing.
Yeah.
So that's the one of the best recommended way. Whenever you send a traffic through any platform, try to capture their name and email address. Okay, and in that case, you will be able to build your email list, and which will be your asset for your whole online affiliate marketing business.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the best recommended way.
Yeah.
Okay, so it comes to the paid advertisement. Same stuff goes to the organic traffic. Even though if you're doing organic traffic, you're not spending any money. So you can do two-way. Okay, either you can straight send them to the your affiliate offer because you're not spending any money to there, so there is nothing to lose for us. But still recommended if we capture. Let's say you put a YouTube channel video on a YouTube channel, and you put your link in a description below, and someone just click on your link and that's it, they disappear. But if they put your email, if they put their email address there, then in a future you can promote multiple offers through the email marketing.
Yeah.
That's the one of the best recommended way to do the affiliate marketing. Always capture a name and email address to retarget those people who have shown enough interest into your product X, Y, and Z, so you can promote multiple products in a backend.
Sure.
Okay, it's a simple and very effective. Now we come to the organic traffic. Any questions so far?
We are good, Prakash.
Okay, thanks. So now we talk, because I want to cover both parts, because there are many people going to watch this presentation, and I can understand not everyone's situation will be same. Okay, not everyone will be able to spend some money on a traffic. Not everyone will be able to spend money on a tools and all that stuff. So I just want to give you some little bit hint and little bit stuff that I have done recently. There are so many people are doing in a past, they're doing in a recently, and they got a great result. So first thing, organic traffic. Focus on a paid traffic and organic traffic both if you have a both.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will give you what I have done. I had enough money in a past to fast scale my affiliate marketing business. So I have started with the paid traffic. I got into the course. I got invest money into the mentor. I learned a Google and Bing ads. Started to spend money on a Bing and Google ads. Started to get some results. I have made $20,000, $30,000 from it. Okay, and then after I started to leverage those results on my social media.
Okay.
To get a organic traffic. So now I got $1,000 or $2,000, $5,000 or $10,000 earning through the affiliate marketing using a paid traffic. Whenever I will put something with the screenshot with this my earning on my any of the social media platform, people will notice me. Okay, so now I'm leveraging all the results that I have got it from the paid traffic, and I'm using that one in an organic traffic. So that's the combination of both. So if you have enough money and enough time, or less money and less time, then do the combination of both. Start with the paid traffic, get some results, start to share their results on your social media, as we said, Facebook profile, Instagram, Facebook page, YouTube, blog, whatever, and leverage those screenshots, leverage those results, and start to use those as a organic traffic.
Sure.
So now we come to the organic traffic. If you want to use organic traffic, especially Facebook profile and Facebook groups, okay, you have to monetize your Facebook profile. You have to be clear on your profile that what you do. Okay, I don't want you to put your Facebook profile cover, just with the like any random picture, or your family picture, or just sunset, or a big mountain or something. No, okay, that's not the good way to use a Facebook profile as a marketing weapon. If you want to use a Facebook profile as your marketing weapon, as your sales machine, then you need to mention what you do clearly. You can see here, okay, this is my own Facebook profile cover picture. I'm not sure when you can see on my Facebook profile, but if you're looking at my Facebook profile right now, then this is the current picture on my Facebook profile. Free cheat sheet revealed how to make up to $1,000 per month in a passive income without spending any dime, okay, on a paid ads or a course. Click here, boom. So the people know what I'm talking about, because I'm teaching other people how to make $1,000, okay, in a passive income without spending any money. And what I do, when people click on this link, they go to the right tab and they will get a one click, which will be my funnel, where people will have a brief information about what I'm saying here. And then I will ask them a name and email address. People will put their name and email address, and on the next page or in their email, they will get a free cheat sheet to understand these 5 steps that I'm showing them how they can make up to $1,000 without spending any money. So
Sure.
this is a clear picture. So whenever people visit your profile, they seems to get interesting. Oh wow, I need to make $1,000. Let me see what this guy is talking about, or let me connect with these people. Let me ask if he can help me, something like that. So if you have a profile optimized, monetized like this way, and you have 2 or 5 products and people reaching out to you, then this is one of the important things that you need to understand. When people reach out to you because you got a great profile or something, then you can tell them, okay, what's your problem? Okay, what's your pain point? What you want to achieve in your business? The people ask, okay, right now because of corona I lose my job, so I really want to make money online. I need to learn affiliate marketing. I really want to feed my family, help my family. I want to make at least $500 or $1,000 month or extra, something like that. So you find those pain points, the problems of that people have, and you have a solution because you got that product. If you are into the make money online space, you got the right product to help them. So you put your service or your affiliate product as a solution of their problem, and make them believe, not lying about, but make
Yeah.
them believe. Okay, because I have used the ClickFunnels, I am an affiliate of ClickFunnels,
Hmm.
and this 30,000, 50,000 I have generated from ClickFunnels. So if I can tell someone that, okay, look, I've been there, I know how it feels, but I have something that might be helpful for you. If you want to get into the, it could be anything, if you are good with the affiliate marketing, and if you have enough experience, then you can tell, okay, I can definitely help you. I can understand your pain. I know your problems, and I think I have a solution for it. Let's have a little bit chat about what you want to achieve. Where
Hmm.
are you currently? Where you want to go within a, put the time frame.
Yeah.
Okay, because people don't give a shit about your product. People don't give a shit about your service, your product. They just only and only care about the result. They want to get the outcome after buying your product or your service.
Yeah.
So you need to make them feel that once they get your X, Y, and Z product, within a 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, 6 months or year, whatever the right commitment, then you will be there. So make them feel, I know you have a problem, you want to make money online, you want to do the start affiliate marketing. So here, let's say I got this one and someone reaching out to me. So I can say, okay, I can understand you have a problem, you want to make money online. So from my 1 year of experience, you know, especially, like, I'm not lying here, but I have worked with multiple 6 figure and 7 figure affiliate businesses who have done millions of dollars in affiliate marketing business. I team up with them. I have spent money to get a coaching from them. I hire them as my mentor. I bought their course. So I know enough. I know at least enough to teach someone who is completely new, right?
Absolutely.
So there is one book, Expert Secret, that Russell Brunson talks about. You need to be just one step ahead of your prospect or your customer. So you do not, if someone is watching right now and they say, Prakash, you have a 1 year of experience, or you have 50,000 earning screenshot to show up, but if you have just watched this presentation, you might already know enough that other people don't know. Okay, so
Exactly.
use this information, leverage this information, start to implement in your business. Optimize your Facebook profile, optimize your Instagram, optimize your Facebook profile, everything. And then after, start to connect with people. So in this case, if someone reach out to me, then I can say, I can understand your pain problem. So there is a solution. If you have a 5 minute to talk, let's just give a straight 5 minute, 10 minute Facebook call. Okay, and we'll figure it out how we can work as a team. Never say that buy my product. Always
Absolutely.
use a word always use a word that we can team up. Okay, we can team up. So you showing them that you have something, you have achieved something, and they are completely new, but still you are happy to team up with them. You are happy to work with them as a team, as a business partner. So
Yeah.
it's the human psychology. So people not understand that, oh, you selling something. People will start to feel that you really care about them, because you want to do a business with them.
Yeah.
You want to team up with them. You want to be a partner with them. So
Yeah.
always use the word that let's just give a 5 or 10 minute quick call. We can team up. Let's say if you are a good fit, maybe we can work as a team, something like that.
Yeah.
So people will say, oh, yes, obviously, definitely, I'm on it. So let's say I got people came to me and I get, okay, 5 minute, 10 minute call. And I said, from my experience, if you want to just go to the YouTube, and if you want to do it everything by yourself, look for each and every videos on a YouTube, spend 10 15 hours on every week to find out really what's working and what's not, rather than, from my experience, I'm selling my coaching, okay, one-on-one coaching on a Skype, on a Zoom, anywhere, and literally I'm charging 900 sorry 197, and I'm honestly charging, literally I'm charging $197 to people. But if you think that they are beginner and they don't afford a lot of money, okay, you do, I'm generally charging $197 to deliver all the value and give you all the stuff that has been working for me. I can cut your learning curve. I can cut your spending times on a YouTube. I can give you the blueprint. I can hold your hand and I will show you step by step what's really working for me.
Yeah.
Generally I'm charging $197, but I know you are new and you are like struggling right now because you lose your job, something like that. I can give you that 1 hour coaching for all for $149. Doesn't matter, $50 here or there, but still you will be able to sell something, your knowledge, your skill, what
Yeah.
you already have. Okay, only
Yeah.
and only thing that you need to know better than what they know. You have to be just one step ahead of what they know. So people will easily willing to pay me $100, $200, $297, and literally I'm doing this because I'm putting a lot of content on my Facebook profile. You can see my Facebook profile is very optimized. So people come to me, people say, Prakash, can I get this free cheat sheet? I'll say, okay, definitely, because it's completely free. Okay, I have put enough time to create this cheat sheet, people, and then after I will send them free cheat sheet. And after a 3 to 5 days, I'll contact them and say, hey, have you look at my cheat sheet? How it goes? Let me know, because I have put a lot of work, lot of efforts to create a free cheat sheet, and I hope it's found helpful. Then people will say, oh, I haven't looked it, but yeah, I've been. You will get a different answer.
Yeah.
But then after you can tell, okay, you how it feels, because I have covered a 5 steps, and there will be a YouTube, Instagram, Facebook group, Facebook profile, and blog. If you really want to master something rather than go with the 5 options, if you want to learn how to use your Facebook profile as your sales machine, then I would be happy to give you 5 minutes straight call. So now this is the first step to grab a eyeballs on my profiles and get people to come into the messenger. So people will get a free cheat sheet, and they already know me because I have delivered enough value to them, because they have got a free cheat sheet. And after a 3 to 5 days, I will do a follow up. I will ask them, have you looked at the free cheat sheet? They say yes or no. If they say yes, then we can ask them in a detail of which part you like. You like about Facebook or YouTube, or what you have started to work. And if they said, oh, I don't like to read, then we can say, okay, what if I can teach you one by one, 1 hour call, $97.
Yeah.
So this is how we make money. You have to use this social media as a marketing weapon, as your sales machine. And if you know how to use a Facebook profile and group as your sales weapon, then this is a ATM machine. I figure out this one lately. It's been just few months, but it has been working very well for me. So okay, so you have to have some kind of hook. Why people should connect with you, why people should contact you, how you can bring people to the messenger, and how you can keep on going with the conversation. This is a simple step. If you understand, you can sell anything just from the Facebook messenger.
Yeah.
It's very, very, very powerful. And what I've been talking right now, literally, I have spent 15,000, sorry, not thousand, 1,500 US dollar to my mentor. I'm learning from this, my mentor. And I'm giving you this completely free from my friends, this beautiful platform. He have taken his time, I have taken my time. So whoever watching right now, guys, be serious, take this one as a seriously, because I know people don't, value what they're getting for free. But what I have shared here, it's completely worth of thousands of dollars if you know how to use it. Because I have spent enough money to learn all this stuff. So the second one, this is the first thing that you want to do, something like that. And then after, intro, it's your bio. Because when people see your profile, and oh, I forgot to mention, make sure you have your photo here, your own picture. I don't want you to put your dog picture, your cat picture, or your family or your kids. No, I recently changed this one with the mask because of this corona. Otherwise, I would have a clear picture with my face. Okay, so better to put your own picture, clear picture. And then after, intro. See, this is a little simple intro, but people can see what I'm doing. I help marketers to build and scale 10,000 per month affiliate marketing business. Okay, and I literally do this. This is not lying. I literally do this because I am on a mission to hit $10,000 a month. I got into the few course, few mentors, few masterminds. I team up with multiple six-figure and seven-figure business owners. So I know how they did. They did 50,000 or $1 million, but I'm learning from them, implementing in my business, and same time I'm helping others to do the same. So this is a simple little intro. They can click on the link and they can go wherever I want them to send. And then this is the another option you can use. All the links here. It says free cheat sheet. Okay, free cheat sheet revealed. Click the link above this image, and this is a nice picture, nice graphic, so people can understand. So whenever people see your profile, at least make them interest into you, so people can understand. Okay, I should connect with this person because he know how to do the marketing right way.
Yeah.
And once they come into the messenger, it's all start with your skills and how you help them, how you provide value to them, and then after offer whatever you want to offer. Okay, because I have got enough experience, enough screenshot, enough earning, so I can easily sell $97 coaching to someone who just getting started.
Yeah.
Okay, it's very easy. Any questions from this, like Facebook stuff?
No, this is really magnificent. So please continue.
Okay, thank you. So, as I said, I know because so many people watching this, they might are completely new. They have no results to share. They don't have. It's called lead magnet. Okay, this is called lead magnet because I just wanna capture people's attention. I wanna grab people's attention, and then after people can see, oh, what is this guy, and it's a free. So people have nothing to lose. They will be happily giving me their name and email address. And once they get into my system, okay, and I will send them into the messenger. And then after I can start here and then conversation every 3 to 5 days, normal conversation. It not has to be a just selling conversation, but anything normal, okay, you connect with the people each and every day, start to send 20, 30 friend requests. Okay, only and only to send a friend request to those people who are similar to your niche, because I'm into the make money online niche, affiliate marketing. So I only send and accept the friend request to those people who are also into the make money or affiliate marketing stuff.
Yeah.
Right. And if you are into the health or something, then you need to find the right audience. Right. So this is the way you monetize. Send a friend request, accept a friend request. Then once they receive, once you accept, or once they accept your friend request, send them a welcome message.
Yeah.
This is a very, 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 very powerful, because doesn't matter how good is your Facebook profile, doesn't matter how free value, free content you giving to others, but if you don't know how Facebook algorithms works, okay, you will not get a lot of eyeballs on your profile. Right now, I have started to implementing this strategy within the last month or a half. Okay, I'm getting 70 to 80 comments on my each and every Facebook profile. Sorry, Facebook post. 50 to 70 comments on each and every post. And I'm not selling anything there, but I'm getting enough eyeballs on my Facebook profile, so people can see what I'm doing from my intro, from my picture, from my cheat sheet. And once they understand me, once they know about me, once I build my own brand and audience, they come to my messenger, my inbox, and then after my sales conversation go here and there. Okay, so this is how to connect on Facebook. This is very powerful. Start to add a new friends every day in your niche, 20 to 30 new friends. Connect with them by sending a welcome or intro message. It could be a very simple. Whenever people accept your friend request, or whenever you accept someone's friend request, better to send them a welcome message. Pretty simple. Hey, it's a Prakash here, or you put your name. Glad to connect with you here on a Facebook. I always love to connect with open-minded people like you. This is very powerful. Okay, because you telling them that yeah, they are open-minded.
Yeah.
Okay, you telling them that they are open-minded. Okay, who I like to connect with the open-minded people like you, and who are into the entrepreneurship space.
Yeah.
Tell me how your life and business treating you these days. Let's see if we can help each other. Okay, this is a welcome message. So once you send them a welcome message, let's say you got 30 people or 50 people, you send them a welcome message. Not you will get response from everyone, but 5, 10, 15 people, whenever you receive a response from them, just keep on going with the normal conversation, what they do, how their business doing, what they're promoting, and what they're doing. And once Facebook see the conversation in a messenger, up and down, up and down, up and down. So every time whenever you post something on your Facebook profile, they will see on their feeds as well.
Yeah.
So the more you connect with people in the messenger, the more Facebook will put your post in front of those people. This is, I paid $997 to understand this one. 997 US dollars to understand this Facebook algorithm. So if you do this one, connect with the people, whenever you will get more and more people connect with you on a Facebook. Because if you're not getting a response box from them, that means Facebook can see, okay, they don't like you. So you need to try that you got response back from them. Okay, and if you're not getting response back, that's fine. Just don't just copy paste the same message again, but type a second message that few days back I have sent you a welcome message, or you can add here more. This is Prakash here, and I'm into the affiliate marketing space. I'm doing digital marketing, affiliate marketing since last 1 year, and I like to connect with X, Y, and Z. Then you can say, oh, like few days back I have sent a intro about myself. I haven't heard it back from you. How's the life treating you these days? Something like that. So
Yep.
make sure you get a response back from them, because if you get a response back from them, then only and only they can see your post on their Facebook page. Okay, and first thing, little bit hint, don't just copy and paste. This is just an example, but be more specific, like where they live, what they do. Check their profile first, and then see, oh hey, this is Prakash here, and or could be name, like, hey Patrick, this is Prakash here. I have noticed that you are from Florida. And then after, because you be a more specific, so the other people think about that you really care about them, because you have checked their profile. This is not an automated robot message, or this is not just a copy and paste.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is connect and valuable post. I'll go a little bit faster now. I think we have spent a lot of time now, but start to put a valuable content on your Facebook profile. Start to engage with other people's profile every time. Whenever you connect with the new people, you send a welcome message. Straight go back to their Facebook profile and see if they have done any recent post, 3 or 5 recent posts. Smash the heart button. Okay, heart. On a Facebook you see the heart button, not
Yeah.
only the like but heart. So press that heart button and put a comment related to that post. Okay, and then after do this again and again, again and again, again and again. The more you engage with other people's content, the more they will see your post. So
Mhm.
this is a regular habit. Schedule your time, put a half an hour every time. So spend a 15 minutes to engage with other people's posts on their Facebook feed, and then after put your own Facebook post, and then after go back to the messenger and see who have recently added you as a friend and will send them a welcome message every day, half an hour to 1 hour on a Facebook profile for your business. You do not need to spend a money ever on a paid traffic. This is the literally learn recently, and I have spent thousands of dollars to learn this stuff. Okay, very quick. I'll just finish this one slide, and then after we go back to the Q&A. If you have any questions, simple affiliate marketing, where to find the affiliate product, because we have said everything. But if people don't know where to find a product, then they have nothing to sell, right? So ClickBank, completely free platform. It's an affiliate network. Go there and find a product that you want to promote. Warrior Plus, it's basically based on a make money online niche. If you want to promote something that is based on a make money online niche, the small course, tool, software, something like that, go to the Warrior Plus, completely free. JVZoo, also like affiliate network, completely free. Go there, get affiliate product approved, get a link and start to promote the way that we just talked here. Okay, and also there are so many individual tools and software course and mastermind. They have their own affiliate program, so you need to connect with them if they are open to everyone. If not, then you have to be a little bit experienced to get approved and all that stuff. So this is the literally what I have done. I have started with the paid traffic, got some results, started to leverage those results, and then after I came up with this powerful script here, powerful sales machine, how to use Facebook profile as a sales weapon to make my ATM machine, and that's what I'm doing right now. So this is my story and this is my success formula. I have literally gave you everything. Okay, so if any questions, go ahead.
I think you covered some of the most mind-blowing stuff when it comes to affiliate marketing, Prakash. I'm
Yep.
sure people who are watching it right now, it is going to be a pure value. I'm sure a lot of people must have thought affiliate marketing is very overwhelming. They need to
Not really,
understand,
yeah.
yeah. So they need to understand a lot of puzzle pieces to be able to be successful at doing affiliate marketing. But you have busted a lot of myths about affiliate marketing in your presentation, and I think some of the questions that I had during the presentation you have already answered, and some of the content that you covered already answered a lot of questions by itself. So anything else as some of the golden nuggets that you may want to drop before we conclude this?
So as a conclusion, the first thing, like you have to be a valuable. That's the one of the best thing, because affiliate marketing is not overwhelming or overloaded or something. But first thing, there are so many information out there about affiliate marketing and make money online and all that stuff. So we don't have that much brain capacity to consume everything. So first thing, be consistent with what you do. As I said, don't try to master everything. Either you go with the paid traffic, either you go with the organic traffic, or combination of both. But even in a organic traffic, you won't be able to do the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and blog everything together. You have to plan something that, okay, first 3 months, and this is a long term game. If
Yeah.
anyone coming into the affiliate marketing or any make money online niche, and if they're thinking this is the overnight success, this is a not. It take a lot of time, because you know you have to be a NIR mindset. This is something that literally I learned from my mentor, where I paid $1,500 to learn NIR. Nothing in a return. Nothing in a return. So don't expect too much from yourself. Don't expect too much from your affiliate marketing business for the first 3 months. Okay, nothing in return. Whatever you do, you just want to get enough information, you want to get enough knowledge to start making progress in your affiliate marketing business. Stick to the one stuff at a time and be consistent with what you do, because this script that I gave you might be, there are many people will be very easily start looking, okay Prakash, thanks a lot, I'm going to start doing it. Okay, they will start to, and 20 30 friends for a week, they will send a welcome message for a week, and then after they, oh, it's boring, I'm not getting results. I'm not making money. Making money, it's your job. Facebook won't do that. You need to bring those people who have shown interest on your profile, who have shown interest on your profile, on your lead magnet. You need to make them buy from you. Facebook will just get you eyeballs on your profile, and this is the strategy to get more eyeballs on your profile. Okay, this is the strategy to get more people to connect with you. But how to sell, that you need to learn. So first thing, focus on a one thing at a time. Don't try to master everything, and whatever you focusing, be consistent with it, because there will be a too much information on the internet. Let's say you started to let's say you invested $1,000 on a one course. Whoever watching right now, you invested into the best course in the world. You've been through that course 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You haven't like got any results. You started to implement what you learning inside, but then after you will think, oh, I have put $1,000 in a course and I haven't made $100 yet. And same time you will see another course coming up with another guy. Okay, this is the course, I bought this course, and within a like 24 hour I got my investment back. This is all distraction. So you're going to leave what you have and you will run after another course, and you will put another $1,000, and then again you will spend 1 week, 1 day, 2 weeks, 3 days, and then after you don't make money, and again there will be another guy offering you $1,000 course. So this is same happened with me. This is a like literally story of each and every affiliate marketer where they're getting started. So stick with one stuff, be consistent and focus. Don't like get overwhelmed or don't get distracted by yourself. The best thing, don't look at each and every opportunity. Whatever you have, that's the best opportunity. Just focus on it. That's it. Don't look at each and every opportunity. Don't look at each and every course. Just focus on what you have until and unless you know if someone have created a course, okay, 50, 70 video, then literally to watch that video and implement into the business, it takes 6 months. So make sure when you buy something worth of $1,000, then for these 6 months, focus on that one. If you're spending $97 something to learn about, then it will be definitely, like 1, 2 days you can watch this videos, or $97 coaching call. You got enough information in a 1 hour, but it will still take a 1, 2, 3 weeks to put it into the work. Whenever you spend money, obviously get an advantage of those information that you're getting. Stick to it. That's it. Because that's one of the best thing that people getting distracted, information overload. So try to avoid those part and you'll be fine.
No, you brought up a very important piece of information, which is basically shiny object syndrome.
Yes, that's the main part. Yes, shiny syndrome object.
Yeah, so I think I'll be happy to admit that I was also one of those people.
Everyone, that's the story of that's the first step of every successful entrepreneur. Even every successful people even been through that part. But once you understand how to avoid and how to like stay away from these shiny syndromes, then you will definitely start to skyrocket your business.
Prakash, thank you so much. This has been an excellent session. I'm sure people would have got a lot of value out of it, and I only wish that people start taking action, right? Like you said, instead of buying courses on a trot. Even if you have one course, start implementing it, and you start seeing results. And
Definitely. It's been pleasure, and like like literally I wouldn't thought this would be like almost like a 1 hour and 15 minutes, because I was thinking it will be a 30 minutes. But I really enjoyed a lot here with you, because you are providing a wonderful opportunity, wonderful platform to the other people who really want to do something during this time to help their family to build their own dream or something like that. Okay, so always stay motivated, guys, because that my friend Vasmi has done a wonderful job. Okay, he have taken his time, I have taken my time, and there are many more speakers there. They are putting their time. So literally don't just go through this information and forget on the next day. Whenever you watch this one or any other presentation, make sure you take a consistent action, and that's the only thing that you need to get success.
Sure. Yeah, I think thanks for those words of wisdom. And again, it's a pleasure to have you on my summit and talking about affiliate marketing. And looking forward to many more interactions like this, Prakash.
Sure. Always, always. Because as I said, like I literally many times, not only this one because we are limited to time and I need to cover everything, but many times even I have literally charged $197.97 to the new people to share this information because my time is important. The first thing, once you start to become a successful, okay, your time will become a more and more important for you because if I'm talking to someone for completely free and if those person is not willing to invest into that business or those person are not willing to take a action, that my time is it's just waste. Okay, so that's why definitely, but this summit was literally something that I know there will be a like more than like 100 or 500 people, students will be watching this, and after putting my 1 hour, 1.5 hour on this summit, okay, if just five or even one person will take a action by watching this presentation, and if they will become, if someone will become a successful, that would be a 10x time better than my time what I have spent right now.
I'm sure people appreciate the time and money they are going to spend on this. So
Yep.
definitely, I presume that people will take action and they give themselves that
Obviously.
career
Yep.
of affiliate marketing that they always wanted to look for.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And whoever watching right now, I'm not sure I can invite, but whenever if you guys have any questions about affiliate marketing, you can see my profile here. Okay, Prakash Prajapati. Put Prakash Prajapati. You find either this picture or this picture. Send me a friend request. I will accept it if we are into it. If we are into the affiliate marketing space. Okay. If you are into the like binary and Bitcoin, then I won't accept you. To be honest, okay. So I'm staying away from the Chinese syndrome. That's the first thing. Okay, so send me a friend request. I will accept you as my friend. And if you have any questions during this presentation or anything that you want to know more about affiliate marketing because of time limit that I won't be able to cover here, then ask me a question. I will be happy to help you. Just
sure.
let
In
me
fact,
know that you came from the summit or something, so I can understand that how I should treat you.
sure. In fact, I was about to ask how people can approach you, and thanks for covering that. That was my next question that I had.
Okay,
So,
that's great. Yeah. So just my Facebook profile would be a great option.
absolutely. So, thanks once again, Prakash. I think it's been a
Thank you. Thank you.
really lovely session, and thanks for again coming on my summit.
No worries. It's been nice. It's my pleasure. Once again, thank you. And as you said, we'll be have a more and more conversation into this one, and let's help more and more people during this time to use this time as a something they can change their life, they can change their family's life or something.
Definitely.